10 Bathroom Organization Ideas for the Modern Home. No doubt that organizing the bathroom is a lot different than organizing the bedroom and living room.
You might be working with a small space and will need it to hold all your bath and makeup essentials.
Another issue is how bathrooms tend to get wet than other parts of the home.
So when organizing bathrooms, you want to also make sure that you look into moisture and mold control. 1. It starts with a declutter. Even when you organize the closet and fridge at home, you want to first get everything out.
This is so you can know what you need to throw out, buy or donate, and those you will be using again.
In the bathroom, you will need to clear out the cabinets, shelves, and all the fancy pieces around the place.
This makes it easy to find anything that is out of place.
This could be a crack in the tiles that could encourage ants and cockroaches, or a leak beneath the bathroom sink.
It could also help you find ideas on how to go about the bathroom organization. 2. Hang the mirror directly above the bathroom sink. Mirrors are a must in the bathroom. They make it easy to check yourself out as you get dressed.
You'll need one to brush your teeth and apply your makeup after your bath. And while you may have enough room on your bathroom wall, it is traditional for the mirrors to hang above the basins. It will be easy for you to use the sink and mirrors at the same time as you get cleaned up.
There are options that you can fit in a small or large bathroom.
Just make sure to shop for ones that work well in your bathroom space.
3. Use vanity units to make storage room. Bathrooms tend to hold a lot of cosmetic products and makeup tools.
These include toothbrushes and toothpaste, soaps and makeup, razors and hair dryers, and your small and large towels. And while you can find many other ways to keep bathroom essentials accessible, cabinets make it easy to store them in one place. Depending on the size of your bathroom, you can find vanity units available in various sizes and styles. This could help solve most of your bathroom storage problems. While you may need other bathroom organizers to help with your essentials, you could get a lot done with a vanity unit. 4. Use a soap dish for hanging soap. You use soap all around the bathroom, in the hand basin, and the tub or shower. And you could quickly find soap scum or worse discolor around your basin and counters if you leave wet soap on the basin or around the place.
Luckily, you can find dish and trays for soaps that makes it easy to keep them on the basin for when you use the tap and in the tub or shower for when you take a bath.
Aside from natural wood options, you can also find a self-draining soap dish made from ceramic or silicone material that will match your bathroom style. Just make sure to wash the soap scum off them regularly when you clean the bathroom.
5. Use shower curtains for privacy and to catch water spills.
If you use a shower in the bathroom, chances are that it is a cubicle-style one enclosed with a glass screen. But if you have a regular bathtub, you may want to consider installing a shower curtain.
This could work in a family home where you have a shared bathroom.
A shower curtain can help offer some privacy and also catch some of that water that ends up on the floor daily. Whatever your bathroom style and design, you can easily find curtains that make it easy to uplift the atmosphere.
6. Remove medicines from the bathroom. If you've been keeping the first aid box and medication in the bathroom, now is the time to take them out.
While it used to be a common practice in the past, recent findings show that keeping meds in the bathroom is unsafe. Aside from the fact that medications could lose their potency when exposed to moisture and dampness in the bathroom, there is also how they can be easily forgotten.
Replace the meds in the mirror cabinet with your spare soaps and cosmetics. It could also be the best place to keep razors and hair dryers.
You can find medicine and supplement organizers that make it easy to use a basket or bin in a closet for storing meds and first aid supplies. Just make sure to keep medications in a cool, dry place. 7. Organize bathroom wall with floating shelves.
There is a lot you can do with a floating shelf on your bathroom wall.
Keep your body lotions and spare toiletries, hang a diffuser or scented candle to help remove odor from the bathroom. Floating shelves in the bathroom could also work for hanging potted plants to add a green touch to your washroom. However way you choose to fit in a floating shelf in the bathroom, just be sure to find one that works for you.
8. Use wall hooks/racks to set up a towel bar.
It is also possible to work with hooks on the wall to hang hand and face towels.
Use a rack to store the towel on the wall.
You can also install hooks inside the shower or close to the tub to hang your loofahs, sponges, and scrubbers after a shower so they dry quickly.
9. Use a trolley push cart.
Use a trolley-style rack that can move around the place to hold your daily bathroom essentials.
The cart is detachable, making it easy to pick up just the section with your shower essentials for when you want to take a bath. You can also find many good quality IKEA product options that are easy to set up. 10. Coordinate items on countertop to enhance bathroom design. Rather than keeping your bathroom counters bare or cluttered, you can enhance the design by choosing to showcase some of your bath products. And the good thing is that you can find bathroom countertop organizers that allow you to flaunt all your stylish bath supplies properly. You can work with bathroom baskets and bin organizers to get more storage out of your countertops. Take a more matching approach to the organization by using a coating system to style your counters. Use matching colors or material types to create an aesthetically pleasing counter. There you have it, 10 tips on how to organize your bathroom for a modern look. Feel free to visit our website to learn more about how to clean and organize your home at www.mygermfreehome.com.